Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things practical and stylish. Today we're reviewing the Vorspack Travel Toiletry Bag for men, a versatile and functional hanging toiletry bag designed to keep your essentials organized while traveling. If you're someone who values both convenience and quality when it comes to your travel accessories, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's get into the details. The Vorspack Travel Toiletry Bag measures 10 by 5 by 5.5 inches, offering a generous amount of space without being overly bulky. It features a main compartment that can comfortably hold items like facial cleansers, electric shavers, and travel-sized shampoo bottles. For smaller items, it comes with 3 mesh pockets and a long mesh zipper pocket, helping you organize your toiletries without things getting lost in the shuffle. There's also a front zipper pocket that provides additional storage for easy access. When it comes to material, this bag is made from quality polyester. It's sturdy and resistant to wear, which makes it durable enough to withstand the rigors of travel. One of its standout features is its water-resistant properties, ensuring that your toiletries stay dry even if the bag gets splashed or exposed to moisture. In terms of usability, the bag serves multiple functions. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a business trip, this Dopp kit meets your needs by keeping bathroom essentials neatly stored and easy to grab. Plus, if you need something for cosmetics or other small items, it can double as a storage organizer for your bathroom or dressing table. The bag's compact size ensures it fits conveniently into a suitcase without taking up too much room. Now let's talk about how it performs in the real world. I tested it out on a recent trip, and I found the main compartment roomy enough to hold all my essentials, yet not too large that it became cumbersome. The mesh pockets worked great for organizing smaller items like toothpaste, razor blades, and hair gel, while the long zipper pocket allowed me to tuck away things like floss or cotton swabs. The front zipper pocket proved handy for quick access items like deodorant or a toothbrush. The smooth zipper and easy-to-grip handle made it simple to pack and unpack, and the hanging feature came in handy when I needed to keep my bag off the counter in tight hotel bathrooms. On the flip side, if you're used to a very large toiletry bag, you might find this one slightly limited in capacity. Speaking of pros and cons, let's break it down. Pros: spacious and organized interior with multiple compartments. Water-resistant and durable polyester material that holds its shape. Versatile enough to be used for both toiletries and cosmetics. Compact size fits neatly in suitcases. Sturdy handle and smooth zipper for easy transport and access. Cons: while spacious for essentials, it may not fit larger bottles or bulkier items. Some might find the design a bit too minimalistic, lacking extra flair or luxury details. Now, when it comes to value for money, this bag strikes a good balance. Considering the durable polyester construction, its functionality, and the organizational compartments, the price is fair for what you're getting. It's not the most premium toiletry bag out there, but it certainly does the job well and is built to last, offering reliable service for multiple trips. In comparison to similar bags on the market, the Vorspack bag holds its own with its thoughtful design and water-resistant properties. There are certainly cheaper options, but those tend to lack the build quality and organizational features of this one. On the other hand, higher-end toiletry bags might offer a bit more luxury in terms of materials or larger sizes, but they can also be significantly more expensive. When it comes to build quality, the polyester feels tough and resilient. The bag holds its shape even when fully packed, and the water resistance gives it an edge over others in the same price range. While I haven't had it long enough to speak to its longevity, the materials suggest it should hold up well over time, especially with careful use. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out for any issues with this product, but considering the reputation of Vorspack, it's reasonable to expect responsive service should you need it. Now, if you're looking for something similar but with a lower price point, you might find alternatives that offer fewer organizational compartments or lack the water-resistant features, but they will typically come at a lower cost. For those seeking a more premium option, you could look into high-end leather Dopp kits, though they come at a much steeper price. In summary, The Vorspack Travel Toiletry Bag for men is a solid choice for anyone looking for a functional, durable, and compact travel toiletry solution. It offers practical storage, a well-constructed build, and versatility. It's not perfect for those needing to carry large bottles, but for most travelers, it's an excellent option. Before you go, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Have you tried this bag already? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, travel smart, travel stylish with Beautyistic.